Hi, welcome back to my channel. I Can Sew. You guys, I bought a new iron. So that's what we're going to discuss right now for Vlogmas 2021 day 17. First off, I want to thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here. Now let's get into this baby. I originally had a shark iron, which went out literally after 2 years. I went back and bought the same exact iron because I really liked it, and it went out, you guys, exactly 2 years later. Can you believe that? Now, when I went back to the store, I don't even see it. Like, I Googled it. I went into Target where I bought it. It's not there. It's not on the shelves. Somebody sent them a memo. Somebody sent them a memo that their irons are trash. And thank you, whoever you are. So, of course, you've heard of the Rowenta irons. I think they're German irons. So I decided this time I would get one. They had some really, really expensive ones that I've seen online. I looked and stuff. I really wanted an Olisad iron, smart iron, but that thing was smart and expensive. So I had to go with what I thought would fit the budget in my sewing studio. And my sewing studio's budget could only go up to $59.99. I bought this iron out of Walmart. Let me tell you the details of it. So first off, it is an AccuTeam Iron DW23 in case you want to go pick one up. And it has over 300 steam hose, effortless steam, vertical steam availability, it's powerful iron. It has a comfort handle, anti-calcium system. That was important to me because I think calcium built up was in my shark iron, and that's what was happening. It started doing all those drops and then the white things around it. I constantly cleaned it. Still ended up having issues in the end where it was like dripping water, and then literally it just turned off and didn't come back on. But it has a durable sole plate, a precision tip. I was interested in the precision tip. I was interested in the easy refill capability. Auto. I love a good auto off. I actually have another iron that's a smaller iron, and it is really. I love it. It gets really, really hot like I want it to, but it doesn't turn itself off. And growing up, my mom always had an iron that turned itself off. So I kind of will forget to turn this one off, and I don't like that. So it has powerful bursts of steam as well. So here is the iron. Now, I knew this is going to be hard to see. 300 holes, you guys. It's still warm because I just used it. And it says here, here's the precision tip it's saying. So if you're sewing like a collar, it can slide up under here so you can really get in there like that. And this here, easy up. Easy up. So where you refill it. The steamer is here. Bring this in. You can do the steam capability. Push, 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 push. One is for water. One is for steam, of course. Auto off is this comfy grip that it said it had, and it has a dial here. Now let's go through the dial and see what it has. So on the dial, it has delicate and synthetics, wool and silk. And when you use that, it says do not use steam. Never noticed that before. And it's saying it will not steam. Then it has cotton and linen, which you should steam. So this one has these. Now, now that I'm thinking about it, am I missing something? Because in my last iron had nylon and all that stuff on it. Maybe that falls under synthetic. I'm not really sure. Anyways, this one gets up to 1,700 watts. I did see something that was a lot hotter, 1,850 watts. I think that other one I have is 1,850 watts. So if I ever were to need to, I guess, iron something really, like I really need a lot of heat, I'll pull out the other one I have. It also has anti-drip, and I told you that that was important to me. So I wanted to show you my new baby. It's so pretty. I actually like the color too. So last but not least, the cord is long, so that's very helpful. So I just wanted to share with you that I received a new iron. I bought a new iron. I really like it. I'm not going to keep this video long at all. It is what it is. A new iron has fallen into my studio, and I wanted to share that with you. So thank you again for coming to vlog. I was about to say simplicity, girl, who? Somebody hire me. But anyhow, coming to Vlogmas 2021, day 17, and I will see you on day 18 tomorrow. Have a great day.